Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. IELTS writing task 2. Essay writing. Extreme sports. Extreme sports such as skydiving and skiing are very dangerous and should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this view? अब ये agree और disagree वाला ऐसे है और आप इसे 3 paragraphs में कैसे divide कर सकते हैं. In recent years, extreme sports have become increasingly popular and some people argue that governments should prohibit them. I completely disagree with the idea that these sports are too dangerous, and I therefore believe that they should not be banned. In my opinion, so-called extreme sports are not as dangerous as many people think. All sports involve some element of risk and there should always be clear regulations and safety procedures to reduce the possibility of accidents. People who take part in extreme sports are usually required to undergo appropriate training so that the dangers are minimized. For example, anyone who wants to try skydiving will need to sign up for lessons with a registered club, and beginners are not allowed to dive solo. They must be accompanied by an experienced professional. Finally, the protective equipment and technologies used in sports from motor racing to mountain climbing is constantly improving safety. While I support regulations and safety measures, I believe that it would be wrong and almost impossible to ban extreme sports. In the first place, we should all be free to decide how we spend our leisure time. As long as we understand the risks, I do not believe that politicians should stop us from enjoying ourselves. However, an even stronger argument against such a ban would be the difficulty of enforcing it. Many of the most risky sports like base jumping or big wave surfing are practiced far away from the reach of any authorities. I cannot imagine the police begin call to stop people from parachuting off a mountain face or surfing on an isolated beach. Last में conclusion आ जाएगी. In conclusion, I would argue that people should be free to enjoy extreme sports as long as they understand the risk and take the appropriate precautions. Thank you.